This is the Vanmirr 26-piece card detailing brush set. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is a nice zippered case with go handles, so it's ready to go for you. So a quick overview of what you're going to get inside. 5 different brushes here of all different sizes. These can be used wet or dry for detailing various areas of the car. I think these would be great on the interior of the car. You get 4 pads here. You can use these for applying wax or polishing, anything like that. So we'll set those aside right there. You get this cone here. It's of the same type material. Fits in a drill, as you see right there. So this could be good for polishing wheels or fenders or something like that. And what else? Over here is the adapter piece, hook and loop, as you see like that. So that can now spin and polish whatever you need. And it peels off as you would expect. Then they give you brushes. So let me get those out for a second here. And another adapter piece, here we are. So they give you a 4-inch brush, as you see again, for the drill, like that. These are really handy, not only for the car, but for cleaning inside the house. You have a tub with all kinds of soap scum and stuff. You have never seen scrub and bubbles like this before. So a 4-inch brush, a 2-inch brush, and a 3.5-inch brush. This is also great for wheels, getting in the open areas of them, something like that. And they also give you an extension piece here. Let me just pull out for 1 second, as you see, so you can put the stuff in there and the end turns as I spin it, so it's just basically an extension rod like that. So that's convenient. Then you get a wash mitt. Put this on your hand and wash the car using that. Cloth here, microfiber. And some others as well. You get 2 more right over here. As you see, great for, they're like chamois type things, so you could dry the car with it, wipe stuff off, anything like that. You got a brush set right here. Has 3 different types of brushes: brass, stainless, and nylon. Also has the back brush over here. So for your very, very fine detail stuff, again, great not only for the car, but for other things as well. When you see any sort of cleaning tutorial on the internet, they say, take an old toothbrush. No way. Grab that one right there. It will do a much better job. And if you need a smaller brush, well, you have it right there. So that's super convenient. You get a couple of wax applicator pads. These are just foam type things, so you can take your wax out of the can or whatever it is and wax the car as you would, like that. So great for manual wax application. And a vent brush over here. These go in between the slats of your vent and can clean all of the dust and stuff like that. This is removable, so you can wash it, but generally you're going to want that on there, and you can clean your vents. I believe that's everything. The 26th piece is the case, of course. So let's go take this out to the car, and I'll show you just a couple of these in action. So we're going to start with the wash mitt here. Let's put that on. I already have a bucket here of my own car wash soap. You can use, of course, any chemical soap, anything like that that you like. And I'm just going to go in my bucket here and get that all set. And now we can go ahead and wash the car. And look how easy. It's real nice. You can go right around your mirrors like that. The old days of using a sponge are the old days. They're gone. You can do it, but this works a lot better. They're right underneath the rocker panels like that. Over here there's some, well, we all know what that is. I should be able to wash that right off. Very nice. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just wash the whole car down while I'm here, and then we'll move on to something else. So I just sprayed the tire down with some tire stuff there, and I'm going to let that just sit for a moment, and then we'll go ahead and clean that using one of the brushes. So now using this brush, I can take that in my drill and clean the tires up real well. Look at all that. That's dirt. Fantastic it's doing. So I'll finish going over all of that. And then I can use this brush. Look at that. Absolutely perfect fit. So I can go and clean all of these out real nice and easy. So I'll polish all that up. And now I can use the smallest one to get in around the lug nuts. That's great. You can even do the center cap with it, just like that. And now I'm going to go and hose that off. Now this car is 15 years old and it's seen its fair share of road rash and everything like that, but that did a pretty good job on that. So imagine what that could do for a new car. So with the outside all spiffed up, let's go to the inside. So you got the vent brush here, so you can just go in there and it'll grab all the little dust and particles and all kinds of stuff that builds up in there. You can even do your defrost vents up here just fine like that. And then we can take one of these brushes and you can brush the dust off the top of your steering column. That actually works fantastic. And in here I get dust, so I can brush that away and get that out of all of the little nooks and crannies right there. And of course, like I said, there are different sizes. You can use these wet if you want. You can see some of the dust that came off of it. So you can use these for a multitude of different things. And they're great for little nooks and crannies like in here. You can brush that out around all of the consoles, your shifter, all that kind of stuff. You can even dust off your radio buttons. There's dust that collects in between the buttons and stuff like that. CD tray if your car has that. So it's all right here and works very nicely. So once again, this was the Vanmirr 26-piece card detailing brush set. An excellent set here with all sorts of applicators, brushes, your wash mitt, the foam cone here, applicators, vent brush, extension rod, these wire brushes over here. Excellent all around, your detail brushes like that. A very complete set for not only just your car, but around the house as well. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.